Have you accidentally deleted your calendar events and now want to know how to get back old and deleted calendar events on your iPhone? Well, look no further. Here is how you can get back deleted old calendar events on your iPhone. Solution 1. Recover from iCloud. Open Safari. Type iCloud.com. Log in your Apple ID here. Tap these dots which is right next to Profile. Scroll down. Tap Data Recovery. Scroll down to End. Tap Restore Calendars. Tap on it. Scroll down again. You can see the Restore Calendars option. Tap Restore from here. After that, your deleted event will go back to your calendars. Here are some quick reminders for you. Always enable calendar sync for your device and account. You can do this by opening Setting, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, find out Calendar app, scroll down, tap Sync, select All Event. Also, go back, scroll down, tap Calendar account. Make sure to turn on Calendar from your iCloud, Gmail and other account. From me, I'll open Gmail. Here you can see the calendar option. Always turn on the calendar option. Now, if you still have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.